अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मीलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। मौनव्याख्या प्रकटितपरब्रह्मतत्त्वं युवानं वर्षिष्ठान्ते वसदृशिगणैरावृतं ब्रह्मनिष्ठैः आचार्येन्द्रं करकलितचिन्मुद्रमानन्दमूर्तिं स्वात्मा रामं मुदितवदनं दक्षिणामूर्तिमीडे। सर्वे कथं सन्ति? सर्वे कुशलम्?
आवां कुशलम्।
आं कुशलम्। कथमस्ति वातावरणं? किं शीतलं, किम् उष्णं, किं समतौल्यम्?
अत्र शीतलम्।
अत्र ओके। भिक्षपति महास्वामी, भवतः वातावरणं कथमस्ति?
शीतलं।
शीतलमेव वा? दत्मः भागाः उष्णं वर्तन्ते इति मन्ये। दत्स्वामी, किं भवान् उष्णं वर्तते वा?
अहम् उष्णं वर्तते।
उष्णम् अस्मि।
उष्णम् अस्मि।
Warm. Are you warm? Are you well? Are you happy?
Yeah.
भाग्यनगर भारतदेशे भाग्यनगरे राजकीय परिवर्तनं जातं, राजकीय प्रभञ्जनं जातं। किं जानन्ति यः कोऽपि?
आम्। तत्र
कस्य विकासः जातः? कस्य विकासः जातः? विकासः
बीजेपी विकासः जातः।
भारतीय जनता नायकत्वस्य जातः। किम् एकत्र एव विकासः वा सर्वत्र वर्तते वा? एकत्र एव वा, एकत्र एव वा, सर्वत्र वा?
सर्वत्र वा।
सर्वत्र। Why is an expression? Why is an expression a questioning expression, doubtful expression? Is it so? Yeah. अहम् अत्यन्तम् आनन्दम् अनुभवामि इदानीम्। अहम् इदानीम् अत्यन्तम् आनन्दम् अनुभवामि यत् वयं सर्वे संस्कृतेन सम्भाषणं कुर्मः। इदानीम् अहम् अत्यन्तम् आनन्दम् अनुभवामि यत् वयं सर्वे संस्कृतेन सम्भाषणं कुर्मः। किं यूयं जानन्ति वा? क्वेश्चन। किं यूयं जानन्ति वा? डू यू नो? किं यूयं जानन्ति वा? अद्य कस्मिन् कक्षा? What number of class it is? कस्य संख्याक कक्षा प्रथमतः इदानीं?
षोडश।
सप्तदश। षोडश गतरविवारे इदानीं सप्तदश कक्षा वर्तते। सप्तदश कक्षा प्रचलति। निर्विरामेण निराटंकेन दिग्विजयेन प्रचलति। All these are adjectives. निर्विरामेण दिग्विजयेन निराटंकेन प्रचलति। अत्यंतं मुदावहं विषयम्। मुदावहं?
Please.
What is मुदावहं? Happiest. The happiest thing. एकं द्वे त्रीणि चत्वारि पञ्च जनाः आगताः। पञ्च जनाः आगताः। कति जनाः आगताः?
पञ्च जनाः।
पञ्च।
मया सह षट्। सदा पञ्चदश वा सप्तदश वर्तन्ते, अद्य पञ्च एव। शीतलत्वकारणात् निद्रया नोत्तिष्ठन्ति खलु? शीतलत्वकारणात् निद्रया शयनात् न उत्तिष्ठन्ति खलु? Kadam va tesham jagaranam.
षट्वादने
Katham va tesham jagaranam.
Okay.
Katham.
Yeah.
Katham is
How?
tesham jagaranam. How to get them up?
Okay.
Vasudha Mata idani me utishta syad.
Yeah, Vande Mataram.
Idani me utishthava bhavati.
What is that?
Idani meva utishthava shayanat bhavati.
I don't know. Idanu.
Idanim eva. Idanim eva today only. Shayanat. Shayanat means
Sleeping.
from bed.
bed.
Uttishtava.
Did you waking up?
Did you wake up just now?
No.
Okay. So due to the environment, Shitalatta Vatavarana Karanena, Yuyam Sarve, Shainam Kurvanti iti Chintitoham.
Okay.
Aham Chintitavan, Yat Shitala Vatavarana Karanena, Api Shainam Kurvanti iti.
I was thinking because of the weather you are still sleeping.
Winter.
Lakshma Reddy ji, Shubhodayam, Vande Mataram.
Vande Mataram.
Adya Kinchit Nutanam Vishayam Janimah. Nutanam Vishayam Janimah. Janimah. We are going to learn. We'll learn. Okay, Janimah. Today, Nutanam Vishayam Janimah. Okay.
Adya is today.
Adya is today. Nutanam Vishayam.
New thing.
New topic or new thing. Janimah. We are going to learn. Able to see the screen?
We will.
Yeah. What is a helping verb? Kriya Sahayaka. Kriya Sahayaka. Helping verbs. What is a helping verb?
Adverb.
Sometimes we need to tell something which helps the verb with expression. I gave him and came back. Gave is past tense. I gave him and came back. What to tell at gave? What to tell?
Datva.
That wa. Why wa?
Having given or gave. Yeah.
It is called as a helping verb. Okay. In the same way, I did it. I did it.
Yeah.
I did. I already did it. For this, we are telling aham kritavan. Kritavan. I gave it. Aham dattavan. I ate it. Aham bhuktavan. I ate. I gave. So there is another expression adds to it called gave. I gave it and came back. Aham datva is a continuous statement. There is another line with to continue it. So, aham datva agatavan. If you are stopping there, aham dattavan. I gave it. So there are few helping verbs. So today we are going to learn one or two helping verbs. Today we'll continue in the next class. If time permits, today we'll learn some more. Let us go to a new topic today. Let us start with a story today, because after a long time we are having a good discussion. Last 2-3 classes, I think we practiced a little in a different concepts, on a different concepts. So what is the story? The meaning is, what is the lower meaning? There is a sentence statement there.
Swabhavo hi duratikramati.
Fantastic. Swabhavo hi duratikramaha. Once again, Swabhavo hi duratikramaha. स्वभावो हि duratikramaha. What is swabhava?
Nature.
Divide and tell. Swabhava. The nature of self is called as swabhava. Okay. He is indeed swabhavo hi duratikramaha. You can't behave over to the nature. You are extended to the extreme to the nature. Generally, we'll be in a limited circle of our own nature. We'll be enacting to satisfy others for some moment or some stage. After that boundary, we can't act. Our nature comes out. So we'll be moving in the nature only. Sometimes we may hide for others for some extent, not completely. We can't transform ourselves completely beyond the nature. There is a story. Okay? I think Vasudha Mata can read it slowly.
Yeah, sure.
Mhm.
Kashmin.
Okay, let me tell you. You people just start along with me. Repeat me, then we'll go to the meaning. Okay? Kasminchit nagare.
कस्मिंश्चित् नगरे
I'm practicing it to you because next stories you need to learn. Okay? Like this. To just tell you an example, I'm reading. Kasminchit nagare. Shuddha patako namakaha. Rajakaha. Vasati sma. Tasya parshve. Ekah. Gardabha asid. Param. Trunanam apratya. Trunanam apraptya. Saha ativa durbalaha sanjataha. Atha kadachana rajakaha ekam mrutam simham alabhata tatkalam tasya manasi vicharaha samagataha yat yadi gardabham asya simhasya tvacha achadya pratidinam kshetre tyajami tarhi kshetra rakshakaha imam simham matva kshetrat na nissarayishyanti. Na nissarayishyanti. Ishyanti, you know, future tense. Nissarayishyanti. Itham darajakaha gardabham simhatvacha achadya kshetre tyajati sma. Kshetre tyajati sma. Gardabhascha kshetre sasyadikam khaditva gruham agacchati sma. Kadipaya dinaischa katipaya dinaischa thula sharirascha abhavat. Ekada ratrau अन्यस्मिन् क्षेत्रे
अन्यस्मिन् क्षेत्रे
अन्यस्मिन् क्षेत्रे
अन्यस्मिन्
क्षेत्रे
क्षेत्रे
कश्चन गर्दभः
कश्चन गर्भः
उच्चैश्वरेण
Ucceswareण.
शैश्वरेण
चीत्कारं
शीत्कारं
कर्तुम्
कर्तुम्
आरब्धवान्
आरभवान्
तदा
तदा
रजकस्य गर्दभः
रजकस्य
गर्दभः अपि
गर्भः अपि
जातिस्वभावात्
जातिस्वभावात्
तथैव
तथैव
तारस्वरेण
तरस्वरेण
आक्रन्दत्
आक्रन्दत्
क्षेत्ररक्षकाश्च
क्षेत्ररक्षकास्य
तं गर्दभं ज्ञात्वा
तं गर्दभं ज्ञात्वा
लगुडैः
लगुडैः
आहत्य
आहत्य
मारितवान्
आमारितवान्
अमारयन्
अमारयन्
अतः
अतः
सत्यमेव उच्यते
सत्यमेव उच्यते
यत्
यत्
स्वभावो हि दुरतिक्रमः.
भावो हि निरतिक्रमः.
Now I want you to tell me whatever the words you know in this passage. Later we'll go to the meaning. Kasminshit. Anyone know Kasminshit? Okay. Nagare.
The city.
Yes,
In the city. Nagare.
Yes, yes.
Rame. Nagare. Shuddha Patakaha.
Name.
It's a name in which vibhakti, Pradhama vibhakti, ekavachanam.
Yes.
Namaka is also same. Rajaka is also same. Vasati.
Living.
Yeah.
Living.
dwelling, dwelling. Home.
No. Use it to.
What is Rajakaha?
Rajakaha is the name of
Okay.
washerman.
Ocean.
Rajaka is a very Telugu word. Rajakudu. Okay. Rajakaha. Razai
Yes, yes.
in Hindi. Okay. Vasatisma, use it to live. Agachatisma, use it to come. Khadatisma, use it to eat. It's an expression. Okay.
Sma means
Tasya. What is tasya?
Tasya means
His.
Tasya looking like?
Tasya is looking like Ramasya.
Exactly. What it means tasya?
his.
Of.
Okay. Of him. Parshve.
Yeah.
By the side or with?
Okay. Beside. Okay. Ekaha gardabhaha. Ekaha
One
gardabhaha.
donkey
Asid.
was there.
Asid is used to there or was there. Param.
Later.
Due to.
Okay.
Param. Param due to. I want to give an example. America देशस्य राष्ट्रपतिः कः?
Trump.
परम ट्रम्प अपि वर्तते खलु. Okay, still he is there, na? But he is there. Param is but or due to. Trunanam apraptya. Trunanam. It is looking like
Grass.
No, means Truna.
Trunanam.
Like Ramanam.
Exactly. Sashti vibhakti bahuvachanam. Due to apraptya, not availability. Due to not availability of grass. Okay. Due to non-availability of grass. Saha means
Along with.
That.
if it is sa plus hakara, it is along with. If it is sa visarga, it becomes
He.
it's pronoun.
Means
Masculine gender. So
Pronoun, masculine gender, he.
he. Yeah.
Okay. Saha means who here?
the donkey.
Rajaka.
Rajakaha.
Rajaka.
Okay. or donkey. We need to understand what we are using as pronoun here. About whom we are discussing? About donkey or about a washerman?
Donkey.
Rajakaha.
No. Rajaka used to have a donkey near him. We are discussing about the donkey. So, Gardabhaha Durbalaha Sanjata. Trunanam Aprapti. Who eats grass? Rajaka or donkey?
Definitely donkey.
So, we are talking about donkey. Okay. Param Trunanam Apraptya Saha Ativa Durbalaha Sanjataha. Durbalaha
Weak.
Weak.
Sanjataha
Became.
Very good. Adha.
What is Ativa? Ativa?
Ativa more. Ati.
Severe.
Ativa. Okay, okay.
Ativa more.
Evanga. Telugu.
Atha.
Adha.
Atha means
Or
Otherwise,
no.
That-
Now.
Huh?
Now. Atha.
Now.
After that. Atha. After the
Kadacha.
background of the story. Atha.
Then.
If you see Yoga Darshana, the like written by great Patanjali Mahamuni, you know how it starts? Atha Yoga Anushasanam. Now we are talking about yoga. What is meant by Adha? In Yoga Darshana they said, after learning Vedas, Upanishads, Itihasa, Purana, etc., with the knowledge, now we are going to step into yoga. Now, in story generally we tell na,
Yes.
once there was a washerman who used to have a donkey that becomes so weak due to lack of food. At that moment, or now,
Can it also be then?
then it's an expression zone. Okay,
Yes.
so people use it in different manner. Atha kadachana.
Sometime.
Kada means kada.
When?
When sometimes kadachana means sometime. Very good. Rajakaha, same washerman. Ekam mrutam simham. What is ekam mrutam simham? Ekam.
One
One.
dead lion.
One.
It is looking like ekam 2-1. Vidya vibhakti. Okay. Ekam ramam like ekam mrutam simham alabhata. Alabhata
Obtained.
obtained or he got. He found. Okay. Ekam mrutam simham alabhata. He found a dead lion.
no, Labata.
Sorry?
Labat, past tense is Alabata.
Yeah, labhata, labhate. It's actually active voice. Passive voice. Bhavati is a active voice. Alabhata is a passive voice. Abhavat is active voice. Alabhata is a passive voice. Generally, we use very less passive voice generally. So I did not taught you. In future, we'll learn. Okay. Ekam mrutam simham alabhata. He found a dead lion. Tatkalam. What is tatkalam?
That time.
At that time. At the time. Tasya manasi. What is tasya? Like
Is in his mind.
manasi.
Mind.
in his mind.
In his mind. Vicharaha samagataha. What is vicharaha?
Thought.
Thought or idea. Samagataha. Agataha. Samagataha.
It came.
It came.
Came.
Yat.
Yat
Yat.
means now. Yat means then.
Yat. That.
If,
Yat.
Got an idea that. What type of idea? That. It's an expression again. Okay.
Yadi.
Yadi. Yeah. Yat. That. Yadi means
This.
if.
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 Yadi gardabham. Asya
donkey.
simhasya tvacha. Asya.
Yeah.
This.
Asya means by this. Asya. This. Simhasya of lion. Tvacha. Tvacha means
Skin.
skin. Okay. Yet I got an idea. He got an idea that if he takes the skin of lion, what he want to do? Gardabham achadya. What is achadya?
wearing.
Cover.
Covering. Where?
Achhadanam, covering. Bhumihi pushpaihi achhadita. Earth is
Covered with flowers.
okay. Bhumihi akashena achhadita. Earth is covered with sky.
Sky.
एवम् आकाशः नक्षत्रैः आच्छादितः
Is covered with stars.
okay आच्छाद्य means covered, covering. यदि गर्दभम् अस्य सिंहस्य त्वचा आच्छाद्य प्रतिदिनं
Every day.
क्षेत्रे
They-
क्षेत्रं means
Field. In the field.
field, exactly, field. त्यजामि,
If I send,
if I just leave it there, if I leave it in the crop, tarhi,
then
tarhi means then, tarhi, in that context or in that situation, that is tarhi, kshetra rakshakaha,
field guard.
field guards, not one, kshetra rakshakaha,
The
ramaha,
field guards, yeah.
imam
Yeah.
simham matva, imam,
Thinking that it is a lion.
imam this, simham lion matva, thinking, kshetrat, what is kshetrat?
From the field.
From the
At,
field.
Ramat, from Rama, from Kshetram, from fields.
From
Nissaraishyanti, what is Saram? Nissaram, taking out. Nissaraishyanti, send it out. Nissaraishyanti, they may send it out. Na Nissaraishyanti,
They will not.
they will not send it out of the field. However, I am unable to feed it. If I just cover this donkey with lion skin, guards may feel it as lion and they may not send it out of the field. Itham means like this. Itham in this way. Itham in this way. Sa rajakaha. Sa rajakaha.
that Rajaka.
Washerman. Gardabham.
donkey,
To the donkey. Simhatvacha.
Skin of lion.
Skin of donkey, the skin of lion.
Simhatvacha. With the Harina, Guruna, Tvacha. Tritiya Vibhakti Ekvachanam. By the or with the skin of lion, Gardabham to the donkey, Achadya,
Covered.
covered, Kshetre Tyajatisma. Kshetre Tyajatisma. He started leaving the donkey in the field every day. Means he used to leave the donkey in the fields. It did not happen in one day. It happened often. Gardabhascha. What is cha?
and
Cha is also. Okay. Gardabhascha. Even donkey also. Kshetre. Kshetre looking like Rame.
field,
In the field.
Field. Not field. In the field.
In the
This is what the difference we need to find with the English and Sanskrit.
Mhm.
Field will be so-
Is it written correctly or is it should have been cha?
Yeah, it should be cha. Okay. Gardabhascha, even donkey, kshetre, in the field, sasyadikam khaditva, sasyadikam, sasyam,
Plant and
grains.
things.
Sasyam is crops and grains. Okay. Sasyadikam khaditva, ate lot of crop. Griham agacchati sma,
Came home.
to the house. Agacchati sma, used to come back. It used to come back after eating all the crop. Katipaya. What is Katipaya? Kati.
Few days.
You know what is Kati?
Some.
Kati. How many? Kati Vidyardhinas Santi Asmat Kakshayam. How many students are there in our class?
Yeah, ka has to be a question, I guess.
Exactly. Again, all our people came. Shyamji also attended. Shyamji Vande Mataram. So, Katipaya means Kati, some. Katipaya Dinaischa, after some days. Okay. Sthula Sharirascha. What is Sthula Shariram?
Strong
Very
body.
heavy body.
Hefty body. Hefty. Abhavat. It became. It became a hefty body. Done. Ekada. What is Ekada? One. Ratrau.
At night.
At night. Very good. At night. Anyasmin kshetre. What is Anyasmin?
In
Others.
In another kshetre.
The field.
In the field. Kaschana Gardabha. Not this Gardabha. Kaschana Gardabha.
some other
Another donkey.
Oh, yeah.
Uchchaiswarena.
in a loud voice.
Loud voice. Cheetkaram.
Screamed.
To the sound. Kartum Arabdavan.
He started
sounding. How it sounds, we all know that. Okay? It's a very beautiful and musical voice.
at
Tada
that time.
Rajakasya Gardabha.
Washerman's donkey.
Our idiot. Rajakasya Gardabha. Api.
Also.
Jati Swabhavat.
Because of their nature
Nature.
of that.
Nature of the species. Tadhaiva Taraswarena Akrandad. Tadhaiva.
Tadaiva means?
In the same way. Tadha.
In the same
Eva.
Uh,
In the same way. Taraswarena
at the high voice.
Akrandad.
Yeah.
He's actually eating food.
He's
Someone
also
shouted,
braying.
"Hey, how are you?" He was, "Yeah, I'm fine." He started.
This is what in
Kshetra
Telugu.
Rakshakascha.
Kshetra Rakshakasya. The gods of
Kshetra
the
Rakshaka. Field guards also. Till now, what they used to think it is as a lion.
Yeah.
Now they got a knowledge. Tam Gardabham Jnatva. Are, it's a donkey, not a lion. Tam, to that, Gardabham Jnatva. Lagudaihi. Laguda means sticks, long sticks. Lagudaihi. Ahatya. By bringing them. They bought the sticks. Amarayan.
Kotin.
Yeah.
They hid it.
Marayan. Yeah.
They hid it.
They hit.
Marana means not killing. They hitting. They hid it.
Yeah, Amarana means that's in the past.
Amarayana. They started. They hit.
They hit.
Ataha. What is Ataha?
In this
Now,
That's why.
oh, that's why.
Ataha. That's why. Satyameva uchyate. Satyameva uchyate. It is right. It is told right. Yat. That. Yat means that. Swabhavo hi duratikramaha. Inevitable.
What's a Duratikramaha? How do you divide, analyze that?
Atikrama.
You
Inevitable.
Okay.
Duratikramaha. Inevitable.
Bad.
Okay.
You can't just move out of it. That's why generally I found something here. I'll tell my nature, like a donkey today. If someone, people who come to me of my own mother language, I don't know. I want to control it, but it comes out. I want to control it, but sometimes it comes out. I was just many other Tamil people are there. If Tamil people met with Tamil people, their language, like they can't control to talk in English, or they don't want to talk in Hindi. It just some other, it comes out. Sabhavo hi duradikrama. Okay, like that.
This
If I,
is
if I
the-
see Hindi people, I don't know why. I want to talk in English only, but it comes out.
right.
Swabhavo hi duradikramaha. But it is very difficult to control self, control the emotions, control the language, be what we can say amicable with others. Like you stick to only one language.
This is the
For example, many
This
people
is-
are doing it, but it comes with practice. But it comes out. Sometimes it comes out. People wanted to control anger. They enact before others. Like, I don't know. I don't get anger at all. I'm so soft in nature. Yeah, they'll just talk much. But one day when the time comes, they come out like anything. They burst out like anything. Okay. In psychology, they call it as what can I say? Compression of emotions. It burst out one day. So we never compress it. Okay, this is a story. It's a beautiful story about a donkey.
this story is behind the parable. కూసేగాడిదలు వచ్చి మేసేగాడిదని చెప్పాయి.
Yeah, exactly the same. Okay.
I think with the stories, you can get a sense of what they are saying without really knowing the pradama and all of that, right? Vibhakti, which one? Sometimes you don't realize it, but you still understand it.
True. Stories, that is the reason story education is more powerful than any song. Children were taught stories because of to understand the emotions of the story.
Yes, the context gives the meaning of it.
Yeah.
Like, yeah.
That's right.
Context, situation tells us many things than the grammar. Why we are reading along with the grammar? Because whenever we get a next situation in this way or next word in this way, we'll be able to grasp it. Okay.
What is uchyate? Satyameva uchyate.
Uchyate, people will tell, na? Yeah, great scholars told it is Satyameva uchyate. It was told right. Uchyate. It is being told right that. Uchyate. People will tell.
Uchati, is that same thing as uchat?
No. This is actually passive voice. I told you, na? Active voice and passive voice, two things will be there. Okay. Active voice is bhavati, bhavataha, bhavanti.
Okay.
Passive voice is uchyate, uchyete, uchyante. A. Same but A. Uchyate, uchyete, uchyante. Uchyase, uchyedhe, uchyadve. Uchye, uchyavahe, uchyamay.
So
Labate also. We got labata. Yeah, alabata.
So the meaning.
Abhavat. The meaning is same. Past tense.
No. What does ucha means? In the
Uchya to tell.
Ucharana, right? That's
Ah, ucharana come from here only.
okay.
It is ucharana. Utcharana. Ucharana.
Is that a Sanskrit word or is that Hindi word?
Yeah, it's a Hindi, it's a Sanskrit word, Swami.
Ucharana.
Ah.
Okay.
Kim uchyate bhavan? What are you talking?
Okay.
Sa uchyate, she's talking about, she's telling, sarve uchyante, everyone are telling that Trumpeva uttamaha. Sarve uchyante, yad Trumpeva uttamaha. For example. Okay, in that way, we have a story now, in which we have a general common suffixes called pratyaya. Pratyaya means which comes after a word. Okay, it's called as suffix. The change which comes after a word is called as a suffix. The change which comes before a word is called as prefix. So, which is a helping verb, which comes later is a helping verb. Tumun. The meaning is to do. Tumun is a suffix. We use generally, often. We use this suffix often. Okay. For example, balakaha pathitum vidyalayam gacchati. Repeat everyone. Balakaha
Balakaha
pathitum
patitum
vidyalayam gacchati.
vidyalayam gacchati.
We know balakaha prathama vibhakti ekvachanam, vidyalayam to the school. That is dvitiya vibhakti ekvachanam. Gacchati is a verb, prathama purusha Ekavachanam, gam dhatu, lat lakara. We all know this. Now come to the same. Why he is going? He is going to school is fine. Why he is going?
To study.
To
Study.
study. Yeah, what to do? To study. Kimardham gacchati, kim kartum gacchati, patitum gacchati. The question is kim kartum, tum, kim kartum. To do what? Patitum. Pata is study. Tumun, we add the suffix, then it becomes patitum. Patha plus tumun is equals to patitum. I want you to repeat once again. Patha plus tumun,
Patha plus tumun.
patitum. Okay. In the past story, why donkey used to go to field?
To
Khadan.
eat grass.
Adatum.
E.
To eat grass.
Khaditum.
Khad.
Khaditum. Oh,
To
khaditum.
Patha
eat.
plus tum, patitum. Khada plus tum, khaditum. Okay. Khaditum gacchati. Gardabha pratidinam kshetram trunam khaditum gacchati. Okay. Patha plus patha plus tumun patitum. Next. Pita gramam gacchati. Ichchati. Pita is father, gramam to the village, ichchati, liking. What he wanted to do? Gantum ichchati. Gantum, to go. To go is a very famous word in America. After coming here, I heard that parcels are called as to go. In India, if you go to a hotel, please parcel it. We ask them to please parcel it. Pack it. Now here they don't use that much bigger 2-3 words. Yeah, it's to go, man. To go is a parcel. Pita gramam gantum ichchati. What it means? Father wants to go to village. What he wanted to do? He want to go. Gantum. Gam plus tumun. Gam is a dhatu. Tumun is a suffix. Gantum. Now I want Narayan Paji to read the sentence.
Bala patitum vidyalayam agachat.
Agachat.
Sorry, agachat.
Agachat means
Came.
Come.
came. Agachat means
Went.
went. Bala agachat. She went to where? Vidyalayam. Why?
Patitum, to read.
Patitum. What it means?
To study.
To do what? To study. Patha plus tumun. Next time I want you to divide the word also. Next one. I want Dattji to talk now.
Now, what is the difference between the first and third?
Gachati is going, agachati is went.
No.
Yes.
There is also patitum.
Yeah, patitum is same.
patitum
I
is
just wrote the word like this. I just kept anuswara. That's it.
okay.
No change.
Right.
What is correct word? First or third one?
First.
It's actually in the middle of the sentence, so the third one is right way to write.
Fantastic. Third one is right. But for better understanding, in the first beginning, I just separate the word and wrote it like this. Good, Swami. Next. Datji.
Yeah, mata pakatum ichchati.
It is not pakatum. It is paktum.
Paktum, okay.
Half ka.
It's difficult to read in that particular color.
Color is okay. You don't find the color good? Okay.
Yeah, I have difficulty reading that.
Red is better. It's orange now.
Yeah, actually, just dark blue is better. Yeah, yeah, paktum.
Paktum. Mata paktum.
Yeah, paktum ichchati.
Cook.
Pach plus tumun
Pach plus tumun.
is
Paktum.
paktum.
Okay. That is mother wants to cook. Next. Lakshma Reddy Garu.
Saha karyam
Hmm.
kartum nagaram gacchati.
Very good. What it means?
I think it's
Kartum.
Kartum. to city.
Uh-huh.
To
Kartum.
work. To work. To work.
Work. Kr dhatu tumun prachaya. Okay. Kartum. He went to city to work. Next. Shamji.
Sishyakaha.
Sikshakaha.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Sikshakaha pathayitum ichhati.
It's a very good sentence. What is the pathitum and pathayitum difference?
So teach. Study and teach.
Yeah, pathayitum is teach. If you find a dirgha, this pathayitum is teach. Okay? Pathitum is to study.
Sikshakaha. Okay.
Sikshakaha is a teacher.
Teacher
Ichhati, liking to do what?
wants to teach.
Pathayitum. Very good. Sikshakaha pathayitum ichhati. Repeat once again, Swami, everyone. Sikshakaha
Shakaha
pathayitum
pathayitum
ichhati.
ichhati.
Again, path plus tumun. Path plus tumun. Pathayitum. Okay. Next, Bhikshapati ji.
Yes, please. Aham
Dugdham.
Durgadha.
Dugdham is
Dugdham.
milk. Dugdham is milk.
Patum
Patum is
To drink.
to drink. Fantastic. Upahara mandiram.
agacham. Upahara mandam gacham. Yeah, to drink.
Agacham. I went. Agacham.
Agacham.
Agachat. Agachatam. Agachan. Agacha. Agachatam. Agachata. Agacham. Agachava. Agachama. That is for me.
Acharya ji, all of these you said tumun, but we are only reading up to tum, right?
In that suffix, na will be deleted. Na will be deleted and last u will be deleted grammatically. So then what will be remaining?
Tum.
Tum. That's the reason. Aham dugdham patum upahara mandiram agacham. Aham I
Aham
dugdham milk
dugdham
patum
patum
Drink.
upahara mandiram.
upahara mandiram means what?
Hotel.
Tiffin center.
Dining hall.
Tiffin center.
No, or tiffin center.
Upahara mandiram tiffin center. Agacham I went.
I went, okay.
Next.
That's a made up word.
Venkat Ram Krishnan ji, are you there?
Yes, I am.
Yeah, I want you to read the sentence.
Tvam pustakam. Tvam pustakam.
Very good.
Pustakam kratum kretum vipanim gacha. Kri plus tumun.
Okay. Tvam pustakam kretum vipanim gacha. What it means?
You
Tvam.
Buy the book. I went to shop.
No, where is I?
To you.
From
From
you.
you book kretum is like vikray, right? Vikray.
To buy.
Great.
Kretum means to buy.
To buy.
You go to the shop or you go to the market to buy the book. Tvam you pustakam book kretum to buy vipanim market gacha go. We are telling to someone. We are telling to the person, my son or someone. You go to the market to buy a book. Both the boys wants to play. Repeat. Balakau kriditum ichataha. Balakau, two boys, Ramau, kriditum ichataha. Kriditum.
To play.
To play. Ichataha. Very good. Balike nartitum ichataha. Nartitum.
Dance.
To
dance.
dance.
To
Nartitum.
dance.
Very good. Nartitum. Tum. Remember tum, that is to do. Avam prashnam prashtum vidyalayam agachava. Avam, we both. Prashnam, question. Prashtum, to ask. Vidyalayam, to the school. Agachava, going. We went.
Prashtum is ask.
Pruch plus tumun. Pruch is a dhatu. Tumun, tum, prushtum. That is prashtum.
पूछना है.
Puchna, yeah.
Ah.
Prashna, prucha. Prucha become puchna.
Yeah, now I can get it.
Yuvam. Repeat everyone. I want whose iPhone is this?
Yuvam is you both.
I want iPhone G to
Vidyalayam.
turn off and unmute and just read that. Are you there? iPhone, who is this?
Yes, Siri will read.
Is that Siri? Oh, Siri. I thought like you know her, Swami. I thought that you know her, you are commanding her to read it.
No, excuse me. I didn't mean to.
No, I know that. I understand. Nowadays, I'm able to understand your jokes. Is Seshuji online? Okay. Yuvam Vidyalayam Gantum Ichatha. Yuvam again.
Both of
You
you.
both.
You both Vidyalayam school Gantum Ichatha wanted to go. Next one. The girls want to sing. Sing.
बालाः गातुं
Singing is Gana. Gana.
Ichantu.
In Hindi it is Gana. कहाँ से आया?
Gatum.
यही से. Gantum Gatum. Very good. Gantum is to go. Gatum is to sing.
Yeah. Gantu is in Telugu, it's jumping up and down.
Gantulu.
Gantu Vedam. Very good.
Yeah.
Very good. Very good. Very good.
Yeah, good one.
Now, tell me this. Farmers went to plug.
Farmers went to what's that?
Plow, P-L-O-U-T.
P-L-O-U.
P-L-O.
Wow.
Yeah,
It's a
it's a
mistake.
wow.
Vashivalaha.
It's actually P-L-O-U, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay. Krushi Valaha. Karshtum.
Kashtum.
Krishi kata. Krishi is Vyavasaya. Karshtum agacham.
Kashtum.
Agachan. It should be agachan. It's a mistake. Okay, next. Worshippers will come to pray tomorrow.
Acharyaji, plow is P-L-O-W.
Okay, I'll just correct it later, Swami. Thank you.
Kashtum is plow.
Worshippers will come to pray tomorrow.
Bhakta.
Pujayantu.
Pujayitum.
Bhaktaha pujayitum.
Or you can say pujitum.
Pujitum.
Both are right. Pujitum is right. Pujayitum, pujayita is? It's no mistake.
to
It is
pray.
pujitum.
Yeah, Pujayitam is like a Patayitam.
Making them to pray.
Agamishanti.
Agamishyandi, they will come.
Shvaha.
Shwaha means
Tomorrow.
Swaha means
tomorrow. Next. Workers will come to work tomorrow.
Karmakara.
Karmakaraha karyam kartum shvaha agamisyanti.
Workers or karmakaraha will come to work. Karyam kartum agamisyanti. Come will come. Kada shwaha. Kada agamisyanti.
Swaha.
Shwaha agamisyanti. Kimartham agamisyanti.
Karyam.
Karyam.
Karyam kartum. Okay. Ke agamisyanti.
Karmakara.
Karmakaram.
Karmakara.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
Is it Kartum or Krutam? Krutam and Kartum.
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 Okay, Krutam is also there.
No. Kru is a dhatu. Krutum
Okay.
kartum.
Oh, that becomes
Karte.
Right? Karta, kartarau, kartaraha. Karta, kartarau, kartara. We used to have a dhatu. We used to have a shabda, Swami. That is called as kartru shabda. The shabda goes like this: kartru, kartruni, kartruni, kartru, kartruni, kartruni, kartruna, kartra, kartrubhyam, kartrubhi, kartrune, kartre, kartrubhyam, kartrubhya, kartrunah, kartuh, kartrubhyam, kartrubhya, kartrunah, kartuh, kartrunoh, kartroh, kartrunam, kartruni, kartari, kartrunoh, kartroh, kartrushu.
I'm twisted.
Oh
It
my
is
God.
actually a punishment for us in our childhood. If you do any mistake, our teacher used to give a punishment of kartra shabda, you should tell continuously for 2 times without mistakes. If the one, at least one mistake flows out, again you should start from the beginning 2 times.
It's like Aralari Talalari.
Yeah. It's like very simple. Nallari tallari is very simple. This is kartru, kartruni, kartruni, kartru, kartruni, kartruni, kartruna, kartra, kartrubhyam, kartrubhi, kartrune, kartre, kartrubhyam, kartrubhya, kartruna, kartru. Everywhere it is tongue twists like anything.
That's why you remember it still.
That's a good thing happened to us. Every bad thing in my past is a good thing at present.
Acharya, the karta means karta, karma, kriya. Is that from the same thing?
Same.
Right.
Karta, a doer.
Yeah.
Next one is called as a niche.
Motivator.
Kartum.
Kartum.
What is this? Gantum, tumun. This is motivator. Karayitum. Kartum, karayitum. If you find this E, karayi, this is motivator. Kartum gataha, I went to do. Karayitum gataha, I went to make them do. I went to make them do. Another example. Gantum, to go. Gamayitum,
Make them
to send.
to send. Okay.
I want to go, but I send them. Aham gantum ichchami, parantu aham gamayitum gatavan. I want to go, but I went there to send them. Palitum, to rule. Palitum ichchami, I want to rule. Palayitum ichchami, I want to make them to rule. Like a kingmaker. Likhitum, to write. Lekhayitum, to let them write. Likhitum, lekhayitum. Gatum, to sing.
I think.
Gayayitum. Datum, to give. Dapayitum, to let them give. Bhoktum, to eat. Bhojayitum, to let them eat.
Is that to let them, or you are saying to motivate, but it's not motivating?
No, I am making them to eat. No?
Oh,
I am making them to eat. I am making him to give. Dapayitum. I went there to let her sing. I'm just doing, I'm making her to sing. Tartum. What is tarana?
Wave.
Crossing.
Crossing the, like moving out, like going out of the bank. Tartum, tarayitum. I'm making them to go across just go to that bank. Sthatum, to stay or to keep. Sthapayitum, to make them to put. So every time if it is niche, itum, I'll be behind, I'll make someone to do the work. I'm not doing it directly. Pujitum ichchami, I wanted to pray.
Pujayitum.
Pujitum ichchami, I want to pray. Pujayitum ichchami, I wanted them to pray. I'm making them to pray. So this is a niche motivator. There are 2 things in it. To do, to make them do. To sing, to make them. To write.
what is that niche?
Niche is again a suffix in which E remains. E remains. Remaining will be deleted.
Oh, I see.
Yeah. Okay, so this is for today, Swami. I have a small appointment in the temple today, so it's 11. So I will send you these pictures, if possible. Do practice and just ask, shoot some doubts in WhatsApp. Let us talk and discuss and just develop. Next class we'll learn about twa, another suffix. Okay, so till today we are here. I think story is a I think story was good, na?
Very interesting.
Yes.
Yeah.
See, story has such a power to make anyone, any age person to sit, even children or anyone.
The last one, Acharya, I think we need some sentence formations because it's a little difficult to follow that.
Okay, I'll change it next time. I'll change it and we'll practice again in next class.
The
Or I'll send it in the WhatsApp.
motivator was not very clear.
Okay. Okay, we'll check it in the next class. Okay.
Dhanyavada.
Thank you very much,
Dhanyawad,
everyone. Sarvebhyah
Dhanyawad.
namamsi bhuyansi.
Dhanyavadah. Thank you.
Shubhadinam bhavet sarve. Arogyena vaset sarve. Shubhamastu. Vande Mataram.
Thank you. Bye.
Punarmilama.
Punarmilama.